I am Nagendra from Jwaladevi Civil Lines on the behalf of Vidya Bharati Kashi Prant. Today we shall study syntax. What is syntax? Syntax is the usage of parts of speech. Noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection, etc. The definition of syntax is the correct arrangement of words in a sentence is called syntax. It means in a sentence there are many mistakes and we have to correct these mistakes on the basis of syntax. These are called syntax. Today we shall study in syntax article. Rules of article. There are two types of article. First, definite article and second, indefinite article. Definite article denotes the definite things, place or things, persons. The example of definite article, the, and indefinite article denotes the indefinite person, place or thing. A, an. Next. The word that starts from consonant before it, a article is used. For example, a boy, a toy, etc. In this word, P is consonant, so before it, a article is used. Just like it, T is consonant, so a article is used before this word toy. Next, the word that starts from vowel before an article is used. Example, an elephant. In this word, elephant starts from E vowel, so here we used an article. Just like it, I, E. In this word, E is vowel, so we use before this word an. Article an is best used on the basis of sound. If the sound of word starts from vowel, an article is used. If the sound of word starts from consonant, a article is used. It means the usage of an is depend on the sound of words. For example, a useful. In this word, U start from vowel, but the sound of U is consonant, ya. Just like it, a union. U is vowel, but the sound of U is ya, so we use before this word a. Our, H is consonant, but the sound of H is a vowel, so we use before this word an. Honest, H is consonant, but the sound of H is a, so we use before this word an. An MP, MP, M is consonant, but the sound of M start a vowel, so we use before this word an. Next, usage of the article. The is definite article, and first of all the article is used before those words, those persons, place or things that is mentioned before it, the speaker. The article is used. For example, we can say the cow. It means we know about the cow before it, so we use the cow. Second, the used before mountain ranges, river, sea, ocean, desert, group of islands, etc. These words, before these words, the article is used. For example, Himalayas. Himalayas is the mountain ranges. So we use before this word the article. The Ganga. Ganga is the name of river. So we use before this word the Ganga, the Yamuna, etc. The Gulf. Gulf, before Gulf the article is used. The is used before religious book. Example, the Ramayana, the Gita, the Bible. These are the religious book. So we use before these words the article. Next. The is used before directions. Directions means north, south, east, west. Before these directions the article is used. Newspapers, the Times of India, the article is used. Ships, aeroplanes, some things that are alone in the world. For example, the sun, the earth, the moon. The earth, the moon, these words, these planets are alone in the world. So the article is used before these words. The is used before superlative degrees. There are three types of degrees: positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. In superlative degree the article is used. For example, the best, good, better, best. Best is the superlative degree, so the article is used before this word. The bravest, brave, braver, bravest. Bravest is the superlative degree, so the article is used. Fattest, fat, fatter and fattest. It means these words, the article is used before these words. The is used before proper noun, but proper noun, the article is not before proper noun, but when these words are used as common noun, when these words are used as common noun, the article is used. For example, Kalidas is the Shakespeare of India. Shakespeare is the proper noun, but Shakespeare is used as common noun, denotes the quality. So here we use the before Shakespeare. It means Shakespeare is the brand, is the quality. So we use before these words the article. Kalidas is the Shakespeare of India. When the used before the name of countries, these countries denotes the people of country. It means the English, means the people of England. The India means the people of India. Just like it, there are many countries, and before these countries the article is used. It means the people of those country. The is used before some main historical events. Surname, the surname denotes the member of that family. For example, the Second World War means this is the event, historical event, and before it the article is used. The Independence Day, the Sarmas, the Brahmins, it means the surname. When the is used before surname, it means the member of that Sarma family, the Brahman family, the Maurya family, etc. We can say. Next, the omission of the article. There are some words and some nouns. Before these nouns the article is not used. The is not used before proper noun, material noun, abstract noun. Proper noun, Delhi, Allahabad, India. The article is not used before these words. Material noun, gold, milk. The article is not used. But when the material noun denotes the quality of any place, person or things. There article is used. Abstract noun, article is not used before abstract noun. Honesty, honesty is the abstract noun, so before it the article is not used. Coldness, cold is adjective but coldness is noun, abstract noun. Before this word the article is not used. The is not used before regular meals, means breakfast, lunch. The article is not used before these words. Disease, before disease, the name of disease, article is not used. The name of place, means cricket, hockey, chess. Before this place article, the article is not used. Name of days, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, etc. Months, January, February, March, etc. Nature, before nature, that denotes the Prakriti, the article is not used. When nature means Swabhav, we can use the, as breakfast, lunch, fever, malaria, hockey, cricket, etc. The article is not used before these words. When two or more than two adjectives qualifies two nouns separately, the article is used before both adjectives. Example, the red and the white flower. It means the red and the white flower, means there are two flowers, the red flowers and the white flowers. But when we say the red and white flower, means only one flower, it has both color, the red and the white. The secretary and the manager have come. It means the secretary and the manager, these are two persons, separate persons. But when we say the secretary and manager, it means only one person. That person is secretary and manager also. So here the is used before these words, the secretary, the manager. Secretary is separate, different person, and manager is different person. So here have, it means verb followed plural number. The secretary and the manager have come. Next. Thank you. Thank you.